Howdy guys, it's Liv here from Neighbourhood. Have you ever wanted to add a personalised finishing touch to your emails when communicating with prospects or customers? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can edit or customise your email signature inside of HubSpot. As a heads up, this is actually available for all HubSpot users. If you're keen on more practical support inside HubSpot, Neighbourhood actually offer a comprehensive, easy to follow course so that you're making the absolute most from your investment. Stay tuned for more information at the end of this video. If you want to take your learning offline, we'll include a downloadable PDF in the description bar below. Okay guys, so if you're looking to send emails directly from HubSpot to customers or prospects, leads, whoever you're talking to, and you're doing it from your HubSpot account, that's great. If you want to customize your email signature to save a little bit more time, you go up into settings, under your preferences and into general, and then over to email. And if you scroll a bit further down, you can see here under the configure section that you can edit your email signature. In here, you can add in a completely personalized send-off. So it could just be kind regards if you're feeling a little bit more professional. So kind regards, Liv. You can save this, and that will now appear in all of your HubSpot comms. Let's do an example. So if I go into Dom's HubSpot record, for example, and I click on that email tool, it will then come up down the bottom with my email signature. There we go. And there you have it. You now know how to customize your email signature. If you're wanting to make the most out of your investment, Neighbourhood offer a step-by-step course covering marketing, sales, service, and the CMS Hub in depth, ensuring that you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. We'll include a link for this below. As well, if you're after a PDF version of this for later, or you're passing it on to a mate in need, we'll include a link in the description. If you gained any value from this video, or are keen to learn more about HubSpot, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. But for now, happy HubSpotting.